From exploring the distant celestial bodies to unlocking the secrets of our own planet, ISRO has been doing a great job since the day of its establishment. A very good afternoon to you all. This is Amulya Sahiti standing in front of you to speak a few words about ISRO. So, what is ISRO? What does it stand for? Anyone in the room? Let me get it straight. ISRO, abbreviating to Indian Space Research Organization, is the space agency of India established by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai in coordination with the Indian government in the year 1969. So, let's talk about a few challenges faced by ISRO. Technological advancements, budget constraints, global competition. Talking about technological advancements, ISRO has to constantly keep advancing its technologies in order to stay ahead in the global competition. Budget constraints. ISRO has been doing a great job by finding cost effective ideas and creative innovations. Global competition. ISRO has been put forward in the space industry by very successful missions. So let's talk about a few achievements of ISRO. Mars Orbiter Mission. It's a mission which is launched by ISRO uh, to observe the atmosphere of the Mars and to check if there is any chance of life on it. Chandrayaan 3. By launching Chandrayaan 3 in 2023, India has become the first ever country to land successfully on the southern pole of the moon and to find a few proofs of water. And also in recent days, India has launched a satellite called Aditya L1, which studies the atmosphere of the sun. And coming to technological achievements, India has launched many reusable launch vehicles and also integrated its artificial intelligence and prepared interplanetary missions like Mars Orbiter mission, etc. There are also a few collaborations of ISRO with the international space agencies. Like ISRO has collaborated with NASA and uh, and developed a polar satellite launching vehicle. ISRO has also collaborated with the European Space Agency and developed the human space flight. And just a minute. And India has also collaborated with the Japanese Space Agency to develop a lunar exploration mission. By this, I'd like to conclude my presentation by saying, together we build and see a developed and successful India. Thank you. Any queries? It is around 600 crore rupees. Any other questions? Yeah, ISRO is planning to launch a human space flight, and also in recent years, last year we have launched Chandrayaan 3 and also Aditya L1. And also, India is planning to launch a satellite known as X-ray polarimetry satellite uh, to study the rays coming from the sun. Thank you, everyone.
The influence of music, understanding of the world. Music has a music has a profound influence on how we perceive and understand the world around us. It can shape our emotions, evoke memories, and convey cultural and uh, social messages. Positive effort, positive effects of music. Listening to music on a daily basis has been shown in relieve stress. Music can also create positive emotions in listeners. To get the positive effects of music, we have to listen to music that you like, uh, said Marin Hussein, author of the Thesis. From classical compositions to modern pop songs, music serves as a universal language that transcends barriers and connects people across different backgrounds and experiences. By listening to and engaging with various genres of music, individuals can gain insights into different cultures, perspectives, and human experience, ultimately and enriching their understanding of the music of the world. And the conclusion is music serves as a universal language that transcends cultural barriers, evokes emotions, and fosters connects among people. Any queries?
Do you think music gives peace of mind to everyone?
Yes.
What type of music do you suggest to listen to a person who is very stressed?
I suggest music that have lyrics to make the person relieve from stress. Thank you, Tom.
Myself, Praveen Kumar. Today my topic is water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals, microorganisms, contaminate streams, rivers, lakes, oceans, and other body of water, degrading the water quality and ending in toxic water quality and toxic of to humans in environment. What are the main causes of water pollution? Is water is unequally to pollution known as universal solvent. Water is able to dissolve in more substances than any other liquid on earth. It's the reason we have cool, 8 brilliant blue waterfalls. It's also why water is easily polluted. Toxic substances is collaborated water pollution impacts on ecosystems. Water pollution wreaks havoc on aquatic and life, leading on disrupted ecosystems and declining biodiversity. Toxic chemicals and excessive nutrients cause harmful algal blooms and manage the species and habitats. Conclusion of water pollution. Water pollution is a complex challenges, but with collective efforts and experiences can make a positive impact. Let's work together to protect our water resources and ensure sustainable an environment for generation to come. Any questions? Water is using in our daily life. What are the main sources in chemical industries and what plastic wastages in rivers?
What is the ways to decrease water pollution? What are the ways to decrease water pollution?
Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today my topic is about how learning many languages will affect our brain and how it will decrease us laziness and all. So I want to speak few words about what are the useful things that while learning many different languages. So my topic heading is unlocking the mind, the cognitive benefits of a language, learning language. So introduction is about the word I said that by learning many languages we can travel many places and it affects our brain in many ways like understanding and analyzing the language which we receive from the other persons. So that's the introduction. Enhanced brain function. So I have said that while listening or speaking with them, analyze and receive the language which we receive from the other persons. And it'll it'll flexible tells about and it improves our skills or our multitasking works like by learning multitasking works and so thank you. If you have any query
Hi everyone, I discuss about the junk's impact of the mental health condition. Today I discussing presentation on the PPD of junk food for mental health is growing concern. This presentation provides a comprehensive analysis of the relation between the food and consumption and mental well-being. Define junk food. Junk food is defined for the low nutritional value of food and high level sugars, salts, and unhealthy fats. Impact on mental health of junk food. Consumption of junk food has been linked to increased rise of depression, anxiety, and mood swings. The determinant effect on the brain function and emotional well-being are significant. Individuals often turn to junk food as form of emotional eating, copy with stress and negative emotions. Exploring healthy coping strategies is essential to maintaining good mental health. Preventive measures. Educating about the long-term consequences of expensive junk food consumption and promoting the balanced diet can help prevent mental health issues. Mindful eating practicing can also be beneficial. Conclusion. The impact of junk food on mental health is undeniable. It is imperative to raise awareness about the detrimental effect and promote health dietary choice for improved mental well-being. Any questions? Junk food affect on mental health, depression, anxiety, or cancer mental health in human beings.
How to avoid junk food in our daily life?
Using vegetables, eating the vegetables in good good food in balanced diet. Thank you.
Today our topic is strategy for successive navigating of competitive exams. Our daily life, so many students are reading so many books and papers and current affairs. Our so many students are going to competitive coachings and so many colleges. They have studied a lot of current affairs and by doing the effective of competitive exams, they will read previous papers and they will read competitive of English books and arithmetic maths and using historical books and they will understand in the earlier stage of uh, history reasons by in the competitive exams they will get minus marks also, and they will get by reading the competitive examinations, mm, they will get a government sector and a private sector jobs. By any job they will should be perform a competitive exams for improving their skills and development of speaking development of a strategy of success. Thank you. Any queries?
What is the best way to what is the best way to crack